microorganisms?
Microorganisms are living cells that are not visible without a microscope. They exist everywhere and are responsible for food contamination.
Okay, so what is cross-contamination then?
Cross-contamination happens when harmful microorganisms from a raw food, like raw meat, are transferred into a ready-to-eat food, such as a salad or a sandwich.
Okay. So foodborne illness is when an infection caused by eating contaminated food. Everyone is potentially at risk for foodborne illness, but are favored to younger children, pregnant women, and seniors.
Raw meat, poultry, eggs, dairy, and shellfish are most common foods that cause the illness. What are some symptoms?
Symptoms are very similar to the flu, where you have fever, vomiting, and diarrhea.
Here are some examples of bacteria that can lead to various illnesses.
So first we have Salmonella. It's from raw and uncooked meat and poultry, including raw veggies and fruit grown in contaminated soil from animal feces, and you can develop it within 6 to 72 hours.
Secondly, we got Listeria. This comes from unfiltered milk products, vegetables, deli meat, hot dogs, and this can develop between 1 and 21 days.
Last but not least, botulism is a toxin produced by bacteria botulinum that comes from canned foods, especially dented ones, aged meats, and honey. And its develop time is within 12 to 36 hours.
The temperature that the following foods should be cooked to ensure bacteria is killed off.
So chicken or turkey, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Ground meat, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Fish, 145 degrees Fahrenheit.
Ham, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Red meat, if you want rare, it would be 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want medium, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you want well done, it would be 175 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the danger zone?
It's the temperature range between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit in which bacteria multiply most quickly and in which food spoilage is most common. So keep hot foods hot and cold foods cold.
Lowering the temperature below 40 degrees Fahrenheit by chilling, freezing prevents bacteria from multiplying to dangerous levels.
Conversely, raising the temperature to 140 degrees Fahrenheit by cooking kills the bacteria.
If not, this may lead to foodborne illness. Food poisoning is a type of foodborne illness caused by eating contaminated food.
The main sources of food poisoning are microorganisms, such as bacteria, fungi, mold, yeast, and even virus.
If the food looks, smells, or tastes bad, chances are it is spoiled.
If consumed during the incubation period, microbes attach to the lining of your intestine. Some of the symptoms are fever, abdominal pain, vomiting, and diarrhea.
Food allergy is a response of your body when triggered by ingesting proteins in food. It facilitates an autonomic immune response.
Nausea, anaphylactic shock, abdominal pain are some of the symptoms of an allergic reaction.
Anaphylaxis is a vasoconstriction or a low blood pressure in your airway that leads to a blockage of air.
Here are some lists of main food allergens: peanuts, soy, tree nuts, milk, sesame seeds, shellfish, or wheat.